Welcome to iGUIDE. iGUIDE gives you an opportunity to engage with a property like never before. To get started, select one of the green dots on the floor plan. Move the mouse around to give you a full view of the space. You can navigate from the visuals by clicking, dragging, and moving your mouse around the room. You have full 360-degree unobstructed views, left, right, up, down, and you can even zoom in and out using the zoom buttons on the screen. The floor plan can be minimized to increase the size of the visuals, and handy navigation buttons are provided to give you a more immersive walkthrough experience. You'll notice in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen your floor selector. This allows you to easily move up and down levels of the property. At the bottom left of the floor plan is a compass feature, which gives you the property's relation to true north. This is a handy feature for assessing the property's natural lighting. Below the visuals, you'll see several buttons which are additional features to the iGUIDE. Clicking the Measure button will give you an interactive floor plan, and measurements for each major room are shown on the screen. Now watch closely. To measure between any 2 points in the property in the Measure mode, click directly on the floor plan and drag your cursor across to your second point. Let's watch that again from a different perspective. A red line will appear on the floor plan and give you an exact measurement on demand. You'll notice a red vertical line on the panorama that serves as a visual guide to help with exact measurements. When finished, click on the Measure button again to return to the iGUIDE. The Autoplay button allows you to sit back and be taken on an automatic tour of the property, set to relaxing music. The Take Picture button allows you to take a snapshot of the current on-screen visuals and save it directly to your computer. In the Property Details area, there is a Get PDF Floor Plan button. When clicked, a new tab will open with exportable PDF floor plans for the property. The Gallery allows you to view still images of a property, one at a time or in a slideshow. The Map allows you to explore the neighborhood and community features like nearby schools, transit, and restaurants. Enjoy using the iGUIDE, the only system in its class and unquestionably the most engaging way to view a property.